Hello. Today we're going to explore two different ways to see the same signal, time domain and frequency domain. Each one shows you something different. Let's make it simple and visual. A signal is information that changes over time, like sound, radio waves, or electricity. In the time domain, we see how the signal looks moment by moment. Watch these three waves. They're all different frequencies. Low frequency is slow, medium frequency is faster, and high frequency is very fast. The time domain shows you exactly how the signal changes. It's what you see on an oscilloscope. But the frequency domain shows something completely different. Instead of time, we see frequencies. Each bar represents one frequency component. The height shows how strong it is. Same signals, completely different view. Time damage shows how signals change over time. Easy to understand visually. Frequency domain shows which frequencies make up the signal. Great for analysis. Engineers use both because they're useful for different things. Thanks for watching, and let me know what to explain next.